In this video, we'll be setting up our JWT on our login page. So we're going to implement the same thing we implemented on our sign up page. So we'll go to our login page, we'll head over to our sign up and copy some few things and customize it. Import the useToken and also Axios. We'll paste the variable that's going to house our token. Then we'll come to our onSubmit function and basically do the same thing we did here. Copy, paste, and change the API to login. So that being said, let's test it out on our client. So I'm going to put in the password I used when I created this account and log in. See, it takes us to our parent page and token is generated with the header, payload, and signature.